What's up, guys? An everyday Canadian, and today we're dehydrating some hot sauce. So when you dehydrate hot sauce, you can turn it into powder, which increases the shelf life. So I took some bottles of Frank's, and right now I have it on the dehydrator. So what we're going to do is dry this completely out, and then we're going to grind it up into some powder. And then, like I said, we're going to have some Frank's dehydrated seasoning. So you can do this with any hot sauce or any sauces. Like I said, you can increase the shelf life. If you want it back to hot sauce, you can add either water or vinegar, and you got hot sauce again. So I'm only doing this so that I can remove some bottles from my fridge, and I have more room for stuff. And yeah, like I said, you got more shelf life. You can do this with any hot sauce. So we decided to go with Frank's because my fridge is packed with Frank's Red Hot, and it's pretty standard hot sauce. So you guys can try this at home. So we're going to show you the process right now. This has got to go for about 8 hours roughly. So I will show you guys the next step. So to be continued. So as you can see, all the salt is coming to the top. So hot sauce is very salty. So this is just going to dry all up, and then we're going to put it in a coffee grinder, grind it into a powder, and you should get something like this. So you can add this to your popcorn or your favorite food dishes. It tastes just like Frank's Red Hot. I already tried it. It's really amazing. So like I said, try this at home, experiment, use your favorite hot sauce, and yeah. Alright, just a quick update. It is almost done. This is what it should look like. And we will see you in another hour or two. Alright guys, so this is almost done. We're going to get it ready to put in the grinder. So we're going to break this all apart and yeah, grind it up into a powder. So let's move to the next step. Alright, so once your hot sauce is all dry, we're going to move it to another bowl, and then we're going to put it in the grinder. Let's go. Alright, so we just grinded up some of it. Let's keep going. Alright, now we have hot sauce seasoning. So this is Frank's Red Hot turned into powder. You can use your favorite hot sauce or whatever. So give this a try. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like. Make sure you guys subscribe for more future videos. And let me know in the comments if you want to try this or if you did already try this. So until next time, guys, take care.